most fundamental types of content are pages and posts. Blogging includes posts that show in a reverse chronological sequence. The latest items appear first. Pages, in contrast, are designed to be permanent one-time content, such as your custom landing page, privacy policy, contact page, about page, and so on. WordPress exhibits your content posts on the homepage of your site by default. You may change this so that every static page will be displayed in your site's homepage. You may create a new page from your news section or blog to showcase your latest recent entries. You may also create a website without incorporating a blog section. Once done, let us generate blog content on your website. You will have to add several sections to your WordPress website before you begin. Do not worry if you do not have content for your created pages. You are free to create modifications and adjustments at any time. Go to Pages greater than Add New Page in the WordPress dashboard. This will send you to the page editing panel based on your themes. To start, provide your page with a title, such as home. Then, enter your content in the word processor below. Audio, videos, photographs, links, texts and other media may be included. When you have completed compiling content to your page, select the Submit button so that it will appear on your site. You can do it all over again by creating more pages for the different sections of your website. For instance, an About page, a Contact page, and a Blog page display blog postings. Go to Posts Add New in your WordPress space to see a screen identical to what you saw when building pages. You can include a title and then contents to the virtual post editor. Other options, including post columns, categories, and tags, are also available on the sidebar. By hitting the Save option, you could store your content as a draft or submit it to improve access on your site.